to represent their country. All the best. Yeah. Okay, speak what you speak. Say hi to the people. Okay. Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle Bahamadou, on est là aujourd'hui pour jouer une compétition du CAN africain. Moi, normalement, je suis un Guinéen, mais je joue avec l'équipe burkinabé. On est là normalement pour gagner et jouer, Inch'Allah.
Nice one, nice one. And Ruma and my Ethiopian friend. Nice and easy. Taking notes from. Are you the coach?
I'm the coach.
Oh, nice one, nice one. Let's see how the team will prove themselves.
Definitely, we'll try our best.
Okay.
That's just all I can say.
Nice, nice. Let's see. All right.
Yeah, they are 10 now. Oh, nice, sorry.
Wait for the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hands up. Say hi to this audience. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
The handshake, the handshake.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Welcome. I'm Salif. I'm gonna be one of the referees of this game. And this is Gabi. Two of us gonna partner to referee this game. All we want from you guys is play clean football. Enjoy the game. Okay? Don't get hurt. The most important is having fun.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the kickoff begins now. Burkina Faso versus Africa United. Burkina Faso taking charge. Burkina Faso Temuri grabbed by the Africa United team.
And they're missing the change now.
An opportunity blocked. It's gonna Ruma shoots.
Hey,
And the ball goes out. Care of by the Burkina Faso players. An opportunity, and shoots, blocks. The goal. Pulls a long one, an opportunity, and it's a goal. Burkina Faso scoring a very important goal right here.
Hey, no problem. Let's go.
Burkina Faso 1, Africa United 0. An opportunity. And it's going to be a penalty.
Hey, bro.
It's a penalty kick for Africa United. The captain taking charge. Oh my goodness. To the captain. Captain puts a long one, and it's a goal. It's a goal. It's a goal. Making it 1-1. Saving himself from the penalty loss. Making an equalizer. Africa United 1, Burkina Faso 1. What the fuck? An own goal. An own goal. An own goal. The player is disappointed. The player is disappointed. Burkina Faso 2, Africa United 2. Cleared Africa United. Burkina Faso, an opportunity, and they equalize. They don't equalize, they add one more goal. So Burkina Faso 3. Burkina Faso 3. Nice impression from Burkina Faso. Pulls a long one. And it's a goal. 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 Look at the reaction from the fans. It's a very beautiful goal. It's a very beautiful goal. Look at that. More fire, more fire. Nice and easy. Burkina Faso shoots, well blocked. Oh my goodness. First half comes to a completion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second half of Africa United versus Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. Nice contest right there. Burkina Faso taking charge. Temuri, well taken care of. Faso taking charge. Temuri, well taken care of.
Take the video. Come on. Take the video. Stay away. Take the video. Take the video.
No video.
Stay away, please. Come on. The player doesn't go down and then I saw it, but not big enough for a penalty. Again, just you know,
But if you kick the ball, but if you step,
all right, no worry. Can we see the video?
Gonna be a penalty for Burkina Faso. Nice opportunity, and it's a goal for Burkina Faso. It's a goal. For Burkina Faso, making it 4. A goal kick for Team Burkina Faso. 1 minute is over, so anytime from now the game will be over. The added time has been depleted. The coach is tired. He needs to go home and figure it out.
We'll go again next week.
Yeah. And the match comes to a completion. Ladies and gentlemen, Burkina Faso pulled a good one.
Hey, Burkina Faso!
Burkina Faso.
Yeah, they're my people, bro.
Oh, you know them, you know.
All from our school.
Oh, okay. You play together.
Hey, Rahim, come on.
Nice one from the Burkina Faso players.
Nice.
Nice one from the Burkina Faso
Hey,
players.
big guy.